Heavy showers have grappled the capital at this point. We are on a red alert with respect to rain and on a flood alert as well. Behind me is the underpass that leads up to the old Yamuna bridge, which is completely inundated with water, and water levels have been rising. The water level as of the latest flood bulletin that we have swelled to 207.27 meters. The danger level being that at 205.3 meters. So we are 2 meters above the danger level at this point, and we do understand that roads have been cordoned off as well. This is one of the routes towards the towards ITO and the old Yamuna bridge as well, which is swelling up with water. So water at this point, the visuals that we're giving you shows that water from the Yamuna has risen to the extent that now it is entering the city premises. These are quite dire situation and visuals that we're giving you. Remember, 7,500 people have been evacuated from low-lying areas around the Yamuna and been taken to 25 different relief camps. As per what the Flood and Irrigation Control Minister Parvesh Verma has said, that there's nothing to panic about, and that there are departments that are working in tandem to ensure that not just evacuation relief measures are in place, but also that the water level, even if it increases, there's nothing to worry about. We can clearly see that the road even from Tees Hazari to ISBT Kashmiri Gate has been cordoned off because water is entering city premises now. Now these visuals that we're showing you is that of the traffic snarls. The rain and the flood conditions have also taken over to bring traffic to a complete freeze and standstill. Now, this is the situation at this point herein, where water is getting inside the city areas of Delhi. Situation on ground remains quite dire. With camera person Stephen Anthony, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.